thing we're going to do is we're going to make our dressing. And I'm going to put this in a blender. You could also use a Roku to do this as well. But what I have here is mayonnaise. So we're going to put some mayonnaise in there. And fresh chopped garlic. We have lime juice. Pour that in there. And extra virgin olive oil. And this is going to be emulsified once we put it into the blender. Honey, just to sweeten it. Put a little bit of that in there. And then I also have some fresh cilantro that we'll be putting in there. And I just put the whole stems in for this application. So we're going to put that in there. Some of the fresh cilantro. And then we're going to blend it. Our dressing is made. It's emulsified in our blender here. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to marinate our shrimp. Now, the shrimp typically for ceviche is served raw, but it's actually cooked in the acid. But we did steam the shrimp today, which we will do, and we'll put the marinade on it and let that sit in the refrigerator until it gets some flavor in there and it's well chilled. So I have the cooked shrimp. We're going to make the marinade, which is a little bit of olive oil, and I just pour that right into the shrimp there. And we're going to do a little bit of lime zest. So you can run it through your grater and just get a little bit of that zest off. We don't want to get the white part because that tends to be really bitter. So we want to get some of that off there. Put that in our shrimp. Then we do a little squeeze of lime juice. This is going to be a nice marinade. And if you were using raw shrimp with this recipe, that would cook your shrimp, technically. And then we also have some fresh cilantro, again, like we put in the dressing. And I'm just going to chop a little bit of that up. Take out the stems this time. And we're going to put that in our marinated shrimp as well. Just chop that up a little bit. And it's better when it sits a few hours in your refrigerator. Chop that up nice and fine. Put that in there. And I just like to get in and mix it up with my hands. So it's nice and coated, and then we'll let that chill, and then we're going to put our salad together. So now we're going to get ready to assemble our ceviche salad. I have some red onions and tomato and avocado and red pepper, chopped up mango, and we're going to start to prepare the ingredients for the cold salad. So I'm going to start with the red pepper. You don't want to get any seeds in there, so I just like to do small dices. You can use strips if you would like. And we're going to set that aside here. I also like to add a tomato too. So we'll do a couple little chunks of tomato on here as well. Aside. And red onion, I like to use a red onion in ceviche. That's the popular choice. And all your ingredients should be cold room temperature. Ceviche is served very cold. So we're going to chop up this onion, some nice slices. nice ripe avocado for this application. And then I twist it. It should open up just like that. And then we will take the outside off. And we're going to dice this up. It's very ripe, this one is. I just like to get my finger in there and pull it out. And the skin should come right off. So, dice that up. There we have it. Alright. Now it's time to assemble our salad. So now we're going to assemble our salad for service. I've used some chopped romaine lettuce today. You can use the lettuce of your choice, but this was washed and chopped. And we're going to put that on our plate here. You can see. And then we've got all our fresh ingredients that we've already prepared. So we've got our diced tomato. We'll put that on there. We've got our red onions, our chopped red onion. We'll put that on there as well. Our mango. We'll assemble that there as well. Our red pepper. You can see how colorful this looks. Put that on there. And our avocado. Now you want to make sure that you don't cut your avocado too far in advance because they do tend to turn brown. And we're going to put the avocado on the salad there as well. And then we've got our marinated shrimp. That's been sitting in the cooler. It's got some nice lime flavor. We're going to put that on our salad. Along with our house-made dressing. In the refrigerator as well. So we're going to set that on the side. I'm going to put that on there. And I like to serve a little slice of lime with it also. A little edge of lime. And then here you have it, our mango shrimp ceviche.